Well, look what the cat dragged in today. Yet another crypto project promising to make us all rich. Today, we're talking about Forex Shark and Drip Network's Animal Farm. And no, unfortunately, it has nothing to do with Orwell's masterpiece. As much as I would love to discuss the similarities between Orwell's dystopian society and the chaos of the crypto world, Animal Farm is just another crypto project that promises passive income opportunities through yield farming and staking programs with its pigs and dogs token. Now don't quote me on this, but stake a pig, earn a dog, convert it to a pig, earn more dogs, eventually hopefully cash it out into Drip and then convert it to BNB? Yeah, I did that for dramatic effect to show how ridiculous crypto projects can be sometimes. How original. Now, if you're like Rob Dyrdek and you want to hear even more ridiculousness, then make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. Boom! Bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. I appreciate it. Now, join me as we run through this swine-infested farm with our trusty pup alongside us and we see what is really hiding inside of that proverbial barn. Now, the pigs token is the governance tool, meaning those holding it can participate in shaping the project's future. It's like being a shareholder in a non-existent company and earning worthless pig and dog dividends from your transaction fees that you can't even buy your milk and eggs for the week with. Maybe they should actually bring out some cows and chickens tokens in order to help everybody out. Starting off strong with the unregulated hedge fund. Nice. And speaking of regulation, there's a couple of companies in the market that are actually running to regulation. One of them is Wolfer Finance and the other one is PreSend. What is Wolfer Finance? It is a blockchain infrastructure company that runs master and validator nodes for the better part of a year on all of the blockchains that you've already heard of. Ethereum, FTM, AVAX, Flux, and we have a mining arm coming out in the future once our regulated CF offering has commenced. How long is that going to take? Just a few weeks from now. So if you don't have $250,000 to go out and afford your own FTM validator node, or you have $250,000 and just don't want to deal with having to host your own FTM validator node and you want some diversification in your portfolio, look no further than Wolfer, who also owns a 10% equity stake in the revolutionary, patent-pending, Silicon Valley style software startup called PreSend. What does PreSend do? It stops cross-chain transactions from happening where people lose their money accidentally. You send USDC from a Polygon wallet to an ETH wallet, you potentially just lost your money. You send your BNB that you just got from your pigs and dogs tokens to the Coinbase exchange, you definitely just lost all your gains. We don't want that to happen. PreSend stops it from happening, has a pending patent, and we are looking to license it out to the largest players in the game, the MetaMask trust wallets and ledgers of the world, the Operas, the Braves, the Coinbases, Krakens, KuCoins, Crypto.coms, and Binances of the world. So if you want to actually get in with something that you know is going to be here in 10 years, those are two opportunities that you will have through a regulation crowdfunding offering that is offering a security token, and yes, a digital security token on the Polygon blockchain that you can hold in your cryptocurrency wallet and be legally distributed dividends in crypto, any crypto that we choose. Nice! And you can also invest with USDC on ETH or Polygon on Akamona.com when we bring these to the market. So follow the channel if that sounds like something you'd like to be involved in. Back to Drip. Meanwhile, the dogs token is the transaction tool similar to how Ether powers the Ethereum blockchain, except for obviously Drip isn't an actual blockchain. How do we know this? Because we actually host Ethereum nodes. You can buy these tokens on PancakeSwap or directly from their website, but what's the goal of every Animal Farm investor? To accumulate as many pigs as they possibly can, of course. Here we go. Because nothing screams future of finance like hoarding virtual pigs. And it gets even better. Animal Farm offers a whopping 5 ways to earn money. You can participate in the farm program where you deposit a pair of cryptocurrencies and in return, you'll receive the PancakeSwap LP token where they're offering anywhere from 8 to 40% APR on your deposits. Sounds economically plausible. You can then stake on Animal Farm and earn rewards in pigs tokens. Woohoo! They also have the Pigpen program where you can earn BUSD rewards by staking your pigs token, but you have a max withdrawal limit of 2% per day. They also have the pool program where you deposit any supported cryptocurrency to earn dogs tokens, where they are again offering you unsustainable APR percentages of up to 30%. And finally, we have the piggy bank and drip garden programs. Whew! That was a lot. Because why have one convoluted earning method when you could have 5? With piggy bank, you stake your pigs / BUSD token pair and supposedly earn 3% daily returns. And with Drip Garden, you also earn daily returns, but your deposit isn't returned. Depositors stake Drip/BUSD LP to earn compound interest of 3.33% daily. Just please don't take your money out. Compound! Doesn't that sound like the best kind of garden where you plant your seeds and you never get to harvest anything? Now, in all seriousness, let's talk about the risk. Any investment can be risky and crypto is no exception. But with Animal Farm, remember that you are relying on the same team that brought you Drip Token, another passive income crypto. Remember what happened in Orwell's Animal Farm. All animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. That's the TLDR. But since we also brought up Drip Token, let's dive into that. The Drip Network, an oasis of ambiguity. They provide no verifiable info about who owns or runs the company on their website. But hey, who needs transparency when you can hide behind aliases and fake profile pictures like Forex Shark and BB? And guess what? They don't have any retailable products or services. Instead, they sell dreams, affiliate membership dreams. And we've all seen how that turned out for literally every other program that offers an affiliate link to everyone. You invest your hard-earned crypto into BR34P tokens, which you then convert into Drip tokens. The idea? Park your Drip tokens with Drip Network for a promised 1% daily ROI. And the cherry on top of that proverbial sundae, they don't even publish the current internal BR34P or Drip token values. Well, isn't that just dandy? Then there's the referral commission. What a wonderful MLM, multi-level marketing scheme, a pyramid scheme. Unilevel structure that they've got there. Recruit affiliates and make money off their investments, all the way down to a 15th degree level. That means 15 levels under you. But what if you want to withdraw your funds, you ask? Well, that's where the fun begins, because you see, Drip Network has a unique penalty system. Want to withdraw 1% of your invested funds? There's a 5% fee for that. 10%? Well, buckle up. It's a 50% fee now just to take out 10% of your initial. And where do those fees go? Well, of course, they're funneled back into the Drip Network. How considerate. Not only do they take 10% of every transaction as a tax, but if the Drip Network can't pay out rewards, they'll just, drumroll please, create new Drip tokens out of thin air. It's like magic, only instead of a rabbit out of a hat, it's the illusion of stability while they can't actually let you withdraw, and then they just print money out of the sky for no reason. I mean, look at how beautiful Drip's chart is, right? It's a work of art. But in all seriousness, not only do they have a convoluted pyramid-like structure for their entire project, but they also strictly refer to it as a game. Now, I don't know about you all, but when I'm investing my money into something, I don't want to invest into a game where they have full control of my funds. That, in a nutshell, is the Drip Network, promising the moon while holding a bag of rocks. When the affiliate recruitment dries up, and it will, they'll be unable to honor withdrawal requests. That's why they started the Animal Farm, keeping the money in the protocol. Just like Matthew McConaughey said on The Wolf of Wall Street, revolutions, keep the client's money in your pocket. And just as soon as they go to take their money out, you've got a new, bright idea. Animal Farm V12 coming in soon! And let's go back, because when that affiliate recruitment dries up, and like I said, it will, they'll be unable to honor withdrawal requests, leading to a collapse and leaving a lot of investors with, you guessed it, worthless Drip tokens. Now, let me know what you think in the comments section. Just because something has been going on for quite a while doesn't necessarily mean it's legit. So, if you like content like this, obviously watch the rest of my videos and make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. Boom! Bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for showing up to this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day, everyone.